All the people from Bardes are over here. The boys and girls are excited. The elders are excited.
So here we are going to
Today, here we are for peace. Peace in the world. We are promoting the message for peace in the world. And this rally is being organized by Together for Bardes. All our volunteers are here. They are the main pillars behind this organization. And I think this rally will be successful. Coming out of Corona, people were all inside. They didn't know what to do. So we are sending a message that you also need to take care. You have to also wear a mask. You have to also follow all the COVID protocols. But at the same time, we are slowly coming out of Corona. This is the first big rally we have organized to send a message of peace. The message of peace goes from Goa to entire India and the world. The message is on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, on Gandhi Jayanti. He said you must be the change you want to see in the world. A lot of people complain on different things. Be the change you want to see. You be part of the change. So people have come to be part of the rally to bring the change, what is required in Goa, India and the world. That is peace. 1,500 participants are registered and we welcome all these participants over here for this lovely, wonderful and peace, harmony in the state of Goa. This message will go across India and people of not only India, the whole world will get excited to see such a rally happening in Goa. This is just coming out of the Corona crisis which we were in just a couple of months back.
So let me give them order. So, all the participants, are you ready? Let us raise your hand and say, we are there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Best of luck. This is the biggest rally. This is the rally. The best rally. Come on. This is the rally. The Para Citizen Rally. SOG.
Gandhi Jayanti, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we have organized this cycling for fitness rally. Started from Parra Tower, then to Saligaon Circle, then to Kalangut Dolphin Circle, then Nagwa, and back from this beautiful stretch of what we call Madani. This is a shooting stretch, and back to Parra Tower. The only message what we want to give through this rally is fitness. During these COVID times, the COVID has taught us health is wealth. So be fit. This was for the cycling rally, was for all the cycling enthusiasts of Bardez. And we also want to convey the message of spreading peace during this time of COVID. I thank Bab Anand Sawal and his team, and Bab Shuram Parsekar and his team for organizing this. We have given shirts, cap, and at the end of this rally, a medal and a certificate will be given to all the participants. I thank all the participants who have taken part in this rally. Thank all the media press for covering this event. God bless you all.
Cycle for fitness. Cycle for fitness. Cycle for fitness.
Faster, muscle.
From today onwards, the message is loud and clear. You got to cycle for fitness. You got to remove your time out every morning or evening. Give half an hour for yourself. Everybody.
Yes, bro.
He equipped Mumbai guys, one of the best rally successfully. And doing effort at the yoga, it's not easy. Like we get up 5 in the morning and be here at 6. And he full PD teacher organized heads off to them. Every Sunday long ride go 300, 400 kilometers, 600, and the PD sir they are always there. And the Badawad Burgess available. Yeah. Thank you so much. And please do cycle every day. Keep you fit and live long happy.
Cycle for Fitness, a rally organized by Para Citizens Association. Our president, Anil, is here. And all the other supporters, the members of this forum. Shivram Parsekar and his team, Pradeep Moraskar and his team, Anand Sawal, the man behind this rally. He works for Sports Authority, that is Directorate of Sports Authority of Goa. He was the key behind this rally. Can we hear it for him? All this route, the banners, the logo, the arrangement from the government side, and to promote this event on Facebook and everything he has done. He has put all his team together, he has worked very hard. Coming out of this pandemic, this is the first rally of the youth, the elders, and all the participants together for Bardez. We have set it together for Bardez only for one reason, that let us start with Bardez and see what is the response. The response was huge. We had a lot of registration, but around 673 have turned up. Let us clap for each and every participant. I want to wholeheartedly thank all of you for coming out. I know there are restrictions. Some of the parents must have said not to go. There will be crowd. But I can see so many participants. I can see a lot of participants staying away from each other, wearing masks. Let us continue with the COVID protocols. But also who are non-vaccinated, who are above the age of 18, they should vaccinate themselves. Let us feel free to vaccinate. Let us stay strong. And on this very special day of Gandhi Jayanti, let us send the message of peace and harmony and togetherness among the people of Goa, India and the world. Today the world is only looking at one thing, that is peace. And I feel that the peace in the world is the only thing which is required, because we see when we open the news, we see so many bombings. We have seen violence in Afghanistan, Syria and other places. And from this nation, we have to send this message of peace. That is why we said we'll organize this rally on this very special day of Gandhi Jayanti, because he stood for peace, non-violence. Let us give encouragement for all the youth who are over here. For the future of this youth, we have to make this Goa a beautiful green. Let us keep it green, beautiful, clean, and also see that they get a lot of opportunities in the future of theirs. When they are studying today, they complete their graduation. Some of them think, okay, there is nothing over here, let us go abroad, let us go to other state, let us go to other country, let us migrate. No, we will give them the opportunity. Let us all work. Let us work together to give them this opportunity for a better future in this state. Let us bring the required things what is required in the state of Goa. Let's not see that our kids go out to study IIT and they work in some other state or in some other country. They have to be working over here. Logistic hub, a lot of things are there. Engineering colleges are there, but we have good engineers, but there is no scope over here. I think all these things needs to be addressed, needs to be thought of, and let us put the infrastructure in our beautiful state. Let us keep this state vibrant, because we have vibrant people over here, vibrant youth over here. Let us all work together for a better Goa. I thank once again the organizers who are over here. And let us organize these types of rallies frequently, not only once in a year. If all the youth are interested, we'll check it on Facebook. We can do it once in 3 months, once in 2 months. It's not a very big thing to organize. We have good youngsters over here, good youth over here. Sports Authority of Goa, the young talent, the coaches of Sports Authority of Goa, they are ready to support us for this type of events. And if everything goes well and this pandemic slowly goes away from this state and our country, our event which we hold over here every year, that is Festival of Lights. All the Akash candles people make in their house and bring it at Parra and we have it on display. The last we had were around 2000 Akash candles. I am appealing to all the people of Goa. Let us bring light in our houses by making Akash candles at home eco-friendly and bring it to Parra and display it for a day. After 2 years, we are going to have it again over here. The dates will be organized very soon by our organizers, Parra Citizens Association and like-minded people of the village of Parra, Virla Kanka and others. They will all tell you all the dates, and 1.5 day event will be held in the village of Parra. Parra is very famous for watermelons. In very few days you will also get good watermelons over here, and you will have a watermelon festival also. Thank you to all the organizers. These are the team who are here behind and the team who are in front. They are the people who do it. I am just over here to say a few words and to encourage them.
Mahekar was the youngest participant, very early to be on for this event, well equipped, and though his parents were hesitant to send him because of this crowd, but still with his enthusiasm he participated in this race, ladies and gentlemen. We want to honor him with a prize, and also as requested by, as said by Mr. Michael Lobo, we are also going to give him a cycle. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sid Mahekar. His preparedness made all the organizers to give it their best to organize this event, ladies and gentlemen. The youngest participant, Sid Mahekar. Taka cycle dile na sir, and he will be also getting a prize. Such a lovely boy. Forget the eldest participant. We have Rama Oli, who is just 63 years old, 60 years young rather, who is enthusiastic in participating in this event. So we also like to present him with a memento and also a bicycle for him. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rama Oli. Well, Mr. Rama was the first registration we got when this rally was announced. The online registration, he was the first person to register himself for this race. एक बार तालियां उनके लिए. We request. Can we have Mr. Milind Parab on stage? Okay, we thank Mr. Milind Parab. Okay, before that,
cycling enthusiastic from entire Bardesh Taluka, just to inform Sir Michael Lobo and Madam Delilah Lobo. This is the first of its kind in Goa that such a large number, 763 cyclists gathered together and participated in this mega rally. On this important day, on this 2nd October, the message for peace, what Sir has briefed in his speech, the message for peace and message for fitness has been given today in Parra. So I request all the participants, kindly raise your right hand and just give a tap for yourself. This is a very good job you have done along with all this. Very good job we have done. This day will be marked in the history of Parra, and not only in Parra, in the history of Goa. So on behalf of all the cyclists, all the coordinators, all the organizers, I would like to thank the men behind this rally, Sir Michael Lobo and Madam Delilah Lobo, and hope to see that such cycle rallies, such fitness messages we give throughout the year in a different way. Thank you one and all for all the support. Thank you.
On 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, we wish you all peace, love, happiness. And my dear friends, can you all put your hands together for this wonderful organization by the welfare citizens of Parram under the leadership of our Minister Michael Lobo and the Sarpanch Delilah Lobo and their whole team. I think they deserve a loud round of applause for this wonderful setup and organization. I think I missed that cycle by 3 years. I'm 60 and I finished the whole route. Congratulations to that senior citizen, 63-year-old, well done, and to all the participants. This was a cycle for fitness. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you all.
Thank you, Samir. आज गांधी जयंतीच्या निमित्तान परत एकदा फेस्टिवल लायटाच्या जाग्यार सायकलिंग फिटनेस रॅली जाल्ली आनी सगळ्या क्रेडीट वयता गोंयचो मंत्री आनी सरपंच मॅडम आनी सगळे विलेज पंचायत मेंबरांक जोरान एक तांच्या खातीर ताळयो जावच्यो. जवळ जवळ 763 सायकलिस्ट पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लेले आनी तितूंतले जे आमी प्रायजां सरान दिल्ले आसा सगळ्यांक दिल्ले आसा. सो हांव मागतां मिस्टी कवळेकर की आयचे जे मुखेल पावणे लागलेले आसा गोवा राज्याचे मंत्री श्री मायकल लोबो त्यांच्या वरसून ते प्रायज दिवचे. सकाळ केन्ना जाता काय दिसताले का 7 म्हणले 1000. हांव मागता सरा कडेन मेडल एंड सर्टिफिकेट मिस्टी कवळेकराक दिवपाचे. राती न्हिदोंक ना सर ते केन्ना रेस केन्ना जाता ती. जोरान एक ताळयो जावचे तेचे. थँक्यू मिस्टी.
Come, Mr. Yo.
नेक्स्ट इज सिद्ध मयेकर. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता डेप्युटी सरपंच ऑफ बिर्ला आमचे पर्रा पंचायत श्री कमल निंगोडकर हांणी ते प्रायज दिवचे. तसंच रियाझीन गोवेकर नॉर्थ गोवा झडपी अध्यक्ष श्री कार्तिक कुंडेकर हांणी रिक्वेस्ट करता की त्यांनी ते प्रायज दिवचे. रियाझीन गोवेकर. ओम मांद्रेकर. चंदू विलेज पंचायत मेंबर चंदू हरमलकर रिक्वेस्ट करता त्यांनी ते प्राइज दिवचे. ओम मांद्रेकर. विलेज पंचायत डेप्युटी सरपंच कांदोली रफिया हांचे रिक्वेस्ट करता परत लिंगोडकर हांणी प्राइज दिवचे. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आदलो झडपी श्री मनोज कोरगांवकर हांचे रिक्वेस्ट करता मारियो मोंतेरो ताका तेणी ते प्राइज दिवचे. मारियो मोंतेरो कंपास. विलेज पंचायत ऑचलचो डेप्युटी सरपंच प्रवीण कोसरेकर हांचे रिक्वेस्ट करता की राजेश मुंगेकराक तेणी प्राइज दिवचे. राजेश मुंगेकर. बॅकबोन ऑफ कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. हांव मागता प्रवीण तन्वी आसोलकर प्राइज रिसीव करचे. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता विलेज पंचायत मेंबर पासगांव पंचायतीचो सागर नायका कडेन तेणी ते प्राइज दिवचे. बंधू नाईक. ऑशन विलेज पंचायत मेंबर उदय और रिक्वेस्ट करता आयुष पार्सेकर कणी दिवचे आयुष पार्सेकर और रिक्वेस्ट करता चतुकले भाई आमचे आरोही पुजारी आमचो विलेज पंचायत मेंबर बिर्ला कांताचो दिगंबर कलंगूटकर त्यांनी दिवचे तांदुली पंचायतीचे मेंबर टर्मिना याच्याकडे रिक्वेस्ट करता त्यांनी श्री जॉयला डिसोजा त्यांनी दिवचे
You are watching Jayesh Network.